kicking off underground events. This is the first one for the Auto Salon weekend. I believe it's called the Lowdown one, and Hannah Burton is the host and has thrown this on. This place is definitely sick. It's actually the first time I've been here, but they have a bunch of electric go-karts, bunch of really cool cars. This whole area is completely packed and full. And unfortunately, Hannah's a little busy doing an interview on stage. We'll catch up with her in the next few days at Auto Salon, I'm sure. But I just want to focus on the cars. The audio is really loud with the DJ music. So we're going to check out some cars, and then we're going to go head to the RWB rollout party. This event, definitely really cool, and I need to come back here at another time. We picked up Clint, by the way. Clint helps us out with filming at Formula Drift rounds and stuff. We're gonna go now check out that RWB stuff, but this place is packed. Like, there's so many cars overflowing on the street. It's pretty wild. Let's get going. It has been maybe 4 or 5 years since I have come to the New Year party kind of RWB meet. I think the last time, yeah, maybe 5 years ago now. Very cool. It's awesome to see that this still happens year after year though. Let's go in and see what we can find. Oh yeah, exactly like I remember. Wow, this place has actually changed so much. The building that used to be there is gone. It's been so long since I've been to this event. I was just starting out on YouTube when I came to this last, so we have definitely come a long way. Yeah, there used to be like the old building shop here that Nakai-san used to actually work out of. It's sad that it's gone now. Very cool. Lots of RWBs. I'm starving though, so I kind of want to go inside to Hard Rock and get something to eat. Let's see what else is up here. I remember this one. I've seen this one around a fair bit. One day when I'm older and got a lot more money, I think I'll be a Porsche guy. Like I think it's just a matter of time. I think all car guys, when they get older and retire, they definitely become Porsche guys. I don't know, is that true? Anyone in the comments got experience with that? Dude, that looks sick. It'll always look cool. I know it's not everyone's thing, but I definitely think it's iconic and it looks amazing. I wonder how many of these tow hooks are glued on though. I'm joking. It's not just a car park meet, it's also kind of like a dinner and a party as well that happens up there. Nakai-san's up there as well, obviously. Entertaining everyone and kind of saying thank you to a lot of the customers and stuff like that that are part of the RWB family. But yeah, for the most part, it's a really cool, chill vibe. Seeing a 34 here is actually pretty sick. Super 2. Uh-oh. It's not the real police, so we're good. That's just security. Security!
Oh, it's not even real.
I love it. Don Quixote is literally across the road. I am starving. We need to go find some food. We are also in the middle of Roppongi. Whew. Ferrari. Oh! It's a wagon!
Yeah.
I find those cars very cool.
I would love an NA V12 wagon.
Yeah, right? I feel like that's a baller wagon.
My wife's ever like, we need a family car. I'd be like, okay.
Okay.
I'll show you the family car.
Okay. Nardo Grey Ferrari too. Oh, this place actually looks kind of fire. Should we do it like full Japanese food?
Start right here.
Yeah. You want to get some crab, some king crab?
Yeah, I haven't eaten all day.
It's Len, guys. It's Ren. He's back. Hey, I went to the Nats booth today. Crazy cool cars.
Yeah, it's like a long...
Right?
Yeah.
The Jimny that's slammed with the trailer and the bike, and then the 8.6 that looks like some crazy car. Very cool. That's literally where this guy studies, so it's super cool.
Oh, you're
Pulling in. Bosozoku's rocking up. Hey yo. Dude's got a louder stereo on that bike than any car here. Let her eat. That's the coolest thing. Zero Fs.
The Bosozoku culture is probably one of my favorite subcultures of all of Japan.
It's so cool. We found food, guys. We're going for Wendy's. Japanese Wendy's is the best. These guys, have you ever had Japanese Wendy's? No? Oh, you're in for a treat. So, Wendy's is owned by First Kitchen here, and all the young people shorten it and they pronounce it in Japanese as fucking, like First Kitchen, but short. And that's how they pronounce it. So, yeah, there you guys go. That wasn't a cuss word, that was Japanese for Wendy's. This is the menu here in Japan. Dude, bacon mushroom melt sounds fire. Ooh, yeah. And they do flavored fries. So you can get butter flavored fries, you can get kosome or chicken flavored fries, and you can get melon soda. So win.
Every American fast food chain that makes it outside of America ends up so much better outside of America.
I agree. But the sizing portions are small, which is probably a good thing, to be honest.
Yeah, but it actually comes out like the picture, when you get it, it looks like the picture.
Let's find out.
Yeah, you get it.
I'll test it.
It's like a Picasso vision.
Also, they sell chili in a cup here. I don't know if that's a Wendy's thing in the US, but anyways, there's all the different flavored chips.
That's probably the only thing that's almost as good in America as it is overseas. It's probably the chili. It's really
The
hard
chili?
to find some chili in a cup.
Yeah.
I shouldn't say that though.
Okay. What is that? Mashed potato Hokkaido burger? It's like mashed potato cheese. What? That's cool.
I escaped.
Oh, police are out. Anyways, let's go eat. I got the chicken club sandwich, but you know what? You weren't wrong, Clint. You weren't wrong. It actually looks like the photo.
It does.
And you got a melon soda float with
did.
a bucket of chili.
Oh yeah.
That is.
And bag fries.
And a bag fries. Are they the flavored ones?
Yeah.
Did you get the clam and butter ones?
Absolutely not.
I got the chicken ones. Oh,
I
should
got
be
the
good.
basil butter. Basil something. Basil butter.
Dude, they didn't fill it to the top. You got scammed. Go fight them. Satin black goes hard. Very cool.
The next day.
As you know, it's currently Tokyo Auto Salon, and that means that the underground Tokyo meets that happen during the salon are absolutely off the chain. This particular one is kind of like organized by Sarah Choi. She's released kind of like the location just only a couple hours ago, and it's already looking packed. Let's check it out. Bumper to bumper, like standstill traffic, people turning around. The car park is already full. This is nuts. Cars everywhere. This might not actually go down too good. Oh no. There's definitely a nice amount of cars in here, but the security are not happy, and they've actually closed entrance to the car park, preventing anyone else coming inside. The rooftop view is awesome with the city behind it. Reminds me of what Tatsumi PA used to be like. Everyone's getting ready to leave now. There's police and security walking around asking who the event organizer is, and the event wasn't supposed to start for at least another 10 minutes or so. They've already closed the whole front of the car park. No one's allowed in anymore, and yep, that's that. This is pretty much how Auto Salon underground meets go. When they bust, a new location gets linked, and then we all rush over to get there before it gets shut down.
Turn
and
right,
hopefully
then turn left.
more or less like, you know, craziness and people and stuff so it doesn't get shut down. So we're currently heading there now. New location. Let's go. This is super sick. This Z has Korean plates. This guy brought his car, left-hand drive Z, from Korea to Japan for Auto Salon. It's got a supercharger on it. So sick. I love it. There's also an NA Roadster in front of him. We just got to the new location, which is pretty much the closest PA on the highway to the other location. Bunch of crazy, wait, these cars I think came over from Hong Kong. That's crazy. It's like a GT3 RS maybe? I can't tell the light from that car. My gosh. So this one's from Japan, but this car, and this car, and that car, the 7-Eleven plates, no freaking way. I don't want to know how much the money was. They probably airshipped, like air freighted their cars here on a plane. These are all cars from Hong Kong. There's a GT3 RS in yellow, looks fire. Imagine having plates like that. GT4 RS, GT3 RS slow. Oh my gosh. Yeah, these guys probably just put their cars on a plane and flew them here. And of course, I don't want to know about how much that costs, but then how much does the carnet cost for that too? I have no idea. I didn't expect to see a lowrider here. That's sick. S2K. So many cars here. We haven't even gone to the other side of the PA. 34, 86. Roadster. Z. MR2. Dude, look how clean that 13 is with the Mondeos. Not Mondellos, Sam. I think my brain's getting stuff mixed up. I still have brain fog. I'm still recovering from this cold. I think this is Hawkeye. Have I leveled up in my Subaru knowledge? This thing is so sick, and we were just talking with the owner. Every time this car needs shucken, he returns it back to stock, so it passes and then puts everything back in again. The dedication here in Japan is really something else. So many cool cars rocking up right now. This is me if I moved to Japan 20 or 30 years ago, not 10 years ago. I would have been in one of these. The older, what are these things called, like Joy Pops or something? But yeah, these things are freaking sick. These do the front like monos, where you slam on the brake and the whole thing goes Nico Nico ni. What is this thing? Can barely see it. 180SX. Japanese van culture will never get old. Look at that thing. High ace, slammed, massive wheels, aero kit. Looks baller. And these things haul, like they go fast on the highway. There's the Z that we saw with the Korean plates. It's cool to see other people coming from like other Asian countries and bringing their cars and doing the whole carnet thing for like the Auto Salon period. There's a lot more cars just at the end here. So cool. This hurts a little just because it reminds me of my old 34 in Australia. This is clean, very stock, looks like stock suspension. It's got the Nismo front bar. It's nice. Yeah. I miss my white one. Honda boys rolling in. Got the big brother with the little brother. Alphards and Velfires in Japan have a huge tuning culture too. It's like a little sub-culture. Big wheels, big dish, VIP kind of stuff. Look at the side skirts on these. They look awesome. Dude, the pink parking lights. I dig that. This is sick. You're American, what's that?
Looks to be a Plymouth.
Really?
Nice one.
EG Civic just rocked up. Nice. Looking good. S15, 34 GTR. Does not get much better than that. Nice. It may be because I've been watching a lot of MF Ghost lately, but I've been really thinking about getting an 8.6. Things are definitely getting very packed. People everywhere. Ooh, the sirens. I wonder if the police are coming. S15. So many people have turned up now. It's all the way at the end of the PA. Just packed. And just like that, it's time to get out of here as soon as possible. The police are here. Let's go. Back home in the office, and I am exhausted. A lot of these events that we filmed in this video are actually from like the last 3 days or so, and I've kind of just recovered now, spent today, Sunday, resting. Tomorrow, I'm driving at Marlboro Circuit for the Vertex Omotenashi Drift event. It's like the thank you give back event that they throw on every year after Auto Salon to give back to their fans. That's where all the D1 GP drivers are going. They're like Nob Taniguchi would be there, Nomu Can. They're all offering like passenger rides for everyone. So it's going to be a really fun day, and I'm going to be driving with Larry Chen, with the Chaser and the Bergen 32 there. So I'm really looking forward to that. I got to get up early tomorrow for it. But this whole weekend, I like, oh my gosh, so exhausting. I, for the last couple years, have been having like people and employees helping me out with filming all the content. For some reason this year, I think with just everything else that was going on, I forgot about that. So I ended up just focusing on doing it all myself, and it wrecked me. For the last few days, I was so focused on editing and getting those videos up for you guys as things were unfolding, and doing daily uploads so that you could see everything that it was happening that day, and kind of like get ahead of everyone else, that I was like not going to bed till like 3 o'clock every day. So it's really stacked up, and I was so exhausted. In this video, I wanted to include me going to Daikoku to a GTR meeting that happened this morning, but I was so exhausted I slept right through my alarm and missed it. And by the time I got up, the PA had already been shut down for the day. So I apologize. Next year, I will make sure that we have more people helping out with this kind of stuff, because there's just so much that I want to cover and make sure that you guys get to experience and see, who can't come to Japan and you know, jump on a plane and get hotels and rent a car and everything. Like, that's a huge expense. It's definitely something you should try to do. It's an experience. I highly recommend it. But still, I want to make sure all of you guys back at home that can't come and experience the event get to experience it through my lens. That aside though, I'm going to go rest and prepare for tomorrow's event. Thanks for watching, guys. Like, comment, share, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Don't forget, super merch. Peace.